Alright, so now we're gonna get to the unveiling of the hair. Here we are. It was a purple bag, purple LuvMe bag, as well as in a net. Okay. And this is a no glue lace front. This is how it looks. Got a little honey blonde going on with it. It has the little headband thingy thing you attach to the back. Alright, and there are 4 clips. So one for the 1, 2 on the side, so I assume. And it does have like the little adjustable thingies if you need so. And we just gonna get right into it. This is my first time doing no glue lace front. A little nervous, but you know we gonna see what's up with it. Okay, let's see. Put it on from the back, I guess. That, and start putting the clips where they need to go. Back, and then got the left side. Get this lined up here. I feel like maybe I need to move the wig cap up, and then figure out where to go. I feel like it's supposed to be higher. So I'm gonna fix this off camera, and then we're gonna come back and get this right. We're gonna get it right. I'll be back. Real quick. Don't go nowhere. But while you busy, okay, I'm back. If I didn't mention it before, this is a wet and wavy hair. So I could straighten this hair if I wanted to, and then wet it back up, and it's supposed to go back to this form. But anyway, I moved everything where it needs to be. So now the lace is where it needs to be. It's all the way up here. I will be rocking the middle part as is. So like I said, it's supposed to be a glueless install. So I'm finna get the installing without glue or wax sticks, whatever it is people be using on YouTube when they be trying to do clickbait and say, oh, it's glueless, but then they be having everything else. But we ain't dwelling on it. This is how Lady J do her stuff. This is how I'm doing it. So I'm gonna be looking this way because my mirror is that way. So I'm gonna be very, very delicate. I ain't gonna cut all the way up because I don't want to accidentally cut too close to the hairline. But we gonna get her going, and then I'm gonna come back into the camera. We gonna get her done. Just hang on. All right. So right now, this is what my hair's looking like. My camera keep dying on me, so we gonna just work with it right now. I cut off all the lace. And what I'm about to do right now, because I do love the curls, they are really pretty. And this is what the back is looking like. I am gonna try to like tame it down just a little bit, by using the Shine and Jam mousse. So I'm gonna charge my camera while I do this, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And yeah, we're gonna be on to the next clip. Alright, now this is the final look. Can't even tell it's a wig. Oh, bounce, bounce, bounce. Yes, all I did was just put some mousse in my hand and just rake it through, pray your hands through, and this was the look. It's about bra strap length with the streaks of brown. Yes, yes. So thank you for tuning in to my first experience of a glueless lace wig. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. That way you know every time I upload, and share it with your friends. And once again, thanks for watching, and always wear your crown proudly.